Young America and its Settlers. When Johnny Appleseed was born in 1775, America was not a nation. It was an English colony. America became a nation after the American Revolution. The enormous American continent was a wilderness. There were unexplored forests, mountains, rivers, lakes, fields, and deserts. Only the American Indians lived in small parts of this wilderness. The American army sent its soldiers to build forts in the wilderness. These forts were similar to small villages. They protected settlers from Indian attacks. They also sold supplies. Settlers often built their log cabins near military forts. Thousands of settlers wanted to live in these new lands. It was their dream. The settlers didn't usually buy the land. It was free from the government. Families of settlers traveled in covered wagons. These covered wagon trains traveled long distances to new lands. Settlers were strong, courageous people. Life on the frontier was not easy. It was difficult and dangerous. The men built log cabins and hunted for food. The women and children worked as farmers. There was little free time. The settlers were happy. They loved the freedom and adventure of the frontier. They built America.